Hello everyone, I wish you all an easy task. I am Silobas Mustafa.
These arms need to be lubricated routinely.
Otherwise, it will experience air leakage.
Are gaskets getting old, tearing, or similar problems?
We need to pay attention, otherwise it will leak air. If air leaks, it will fill slowly, discharge late and spill outside. The surface needs to be clean. Additionally, this area must be clean.
The screws need to be tightened alternately. Otherwise, the same air will escape again. It needs to be lubricated.
Our fuse is completely blown indeed.
We need to maintain it.
The direction of operation for our engine must be the left side.
After operation, to prevent the bar pressure from dropping, the jet valve and the supply valve must be closed.
The cargo discharge valve bowl should be 1/4 open. We are currently at 4 bar. Yes, our designated bar has now arrived. It's positioned somewhere between 1.5 and 2 bar.
Our jet valve then.
To begin with, our jet valve.
At a normal setting, but with a low volume.
Then the unloading valve.
We're opening our valve.
Why are we going to have this particular item subjected to a process of burning and then wood? The primary objective here is to ensure that its entire interior is thoroughly and completely emptied out.
Your ball is over there.
To prevent sooting, we'll open and close it. Open and close. Don't keep opening and closing it 2 or 3 times. Once the unloading of the merchandise is complete.
We are going to click on this red icon.
We are setting our switch to 0.
To prevent air pressure inside when removing the hose,
We are now opening our discharge valve.
And we're going to take off our hose.